In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your advanced settings in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this guide, you'll have a deeper understanding of how to tailor your QuickBooks experience to better fit your unique business needs. So, let's dive right in. To begin, look towards the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard, and you'll see a small gear icon. This is your gateway to many of the powerful settings available to you. Click on that gear icon to open up the Settings menu. Next, from the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Account and Settings. This option will bring you to a new screen where you can access various settings to customize your QuickBooks experience. Now, you should see a panel on the left side of the screen. From there, select the Advanced tab. This tab holds a myriad of options, offering you the tools to fine-tune your business's financial reporting and operations. First on the list is setting the first month of your fiscal year. This is crucial for financial planning and reporting, ensuring that all your statements align with your business's financial calendar. Similarly, you'll want to set the first month of your income tax year. Aligning this setting with your tax planning can ease some of the headaches when tax season rolls around. Next, consider the accounting method you're using. Here, you can choose between cash or accrual accounting. The choice between these two methods can impact how you track revenue and expenses, so choose the one that best suits your business practices and reporting needs. It's prominently displayed under Advanced Settings, so a simple click lets you ensure it's set to your preference. QuickBooks also offers flexibility in how you label your customer interactions. Whether you refer to them as clients, tenants, donors, or guests, these labels can be customized to align with your specific business interactions and relationships. Personalizing this helps maintain consistent communication and perhaps even strengthen client relationships. Moving forward, explore additional settings such as company type, tax form, and the chart of accounts, along with categories and automation options. These options support your operations by aligning QuickBooks with the nuances of your business's structure and workflow. Lastly, you have the ability to modify the currency and date formats. This is particularly important if you're dealing with international clients or transactions. Setting up your preferred currency and date formats ensures clarity and avoids misunderstandings in financial documents. Additionally, configuring how your data is backed up can safeguard your valuable information, providing peace of mind that your data is secure. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your QuickBooks Online experience is now optimized to better suit your business requirements. Thank you for watching, and I hope these steps have helped you in fine-tuning your QuickBooks settings.